Comparison to Michigan State. I mean, is that kind of something you guys have focused on in preparation for this team?
Yeah, that's what everybody's saying. You know, they're a really good offensive rebounding team. They know how to get to the free throw line, and you know, they're a pretty good transition team. So you know, everything leads towards like a Michigan State type team. But you know, I think we play well against those teams, and you know, I think our transition offense and defense is as good as anyone. So you know, it's going to be a great game, but I think it plays into our strengths.
How much more tough is this team this year than compared to maybe the last 3 years for you?
Not just tougher on the court, but mentally tough. You know, we saw it like right when it started when we were at NC State and we were down about 7 or 8 with 7 or 8 minutes to go, and you know, normally we didn't really have a mentally tough team, and we just let it slide into a 15 or 20 point loss, and you know, we came all the way back, and that's when I knew this team was different and something was special. So we've come this far, and hopefully that continues in the tournament.
As far as physical toughness, was there a moment where you knew this team was stronger, could rebound better than maybe those past teams, especially for a game like this coming up where you guys are going to have to?
Yeah, I mean, we've gotten bigger, we've gotten stronger, and new guys, bigger guys. A lot of guys on our team have been rebounding really well. The game against Penn State, I think we had like 3 guys with 10 rebounds, so that's incredible, and that's something that we need, and that's something that we're going to need in this tournament.
Was there a focus in the offseason on being tougher and going from getting more 50-50 balls? Is that kind of one of Coach Crean's focal points?
Yeah, I mean, that was definitely a focal point in the offseason, with offseason workouts from the strength standpoint and also the basketball standpoint, and everything we did since that last loss last year was to prepare for this year and prepare to have the best year that we can, and that's something that we have right now. We're going to continue to play.
What does this feel like for you to be prepared for an NCAA tournament game, obviously with 3 years without this? I mean, does it mean a lot?
Yeah, I mean, it means a lot. I'm going to take everything in. It's obviously my last one. It's my first one as well, so I'm just going to take everything in and enjoy it, and when game time comes, we're going to be ready to play.